Hello guys, good evening everybody. We're back again. So this drink is gonna be called a BANILAD sunrise. They have the tequila sunrise, but this is the BANILAD sunrise. Actually, it's really good. Sunrise there almost every morning. Went there. You know, the beach is not that awesome actually because we have lots of river, and then the river bring this mud down there actually, but it's still good, you know, still good to go. The main ingredients is the white rum. You got the white rum, any white rum in your country, and then gold rum, and then you got the flavored soda. It's peach flavored soda, and then you got the orange juice also, and then you got the overproof rum over here, and then a Grenadine syrup. Well, the other Grenadine syrup is really good, but this still good. And then you get the Mandarin as a garnish, and then this the Pomelo leaves. Actually, we have the trees in my backyard, so I just pick this in my backyard. Right. Let me get the ice. Ice in the glass. About a scoop again. And then a jigger of the white rum. And then about 2 jigger of the peach flavored club soda, and then you got the orange juice, you get the orange juice. Somebody's calling, but that's really nice. This is awesome if you do it in the house. Actually, there's a lot of interruption, but that's fine. That's good. You do it your own. Nobody's stopping you. You don't have any boss. You're the boss. So that's good. And then top with the gold rum. Just layer it a little bit. Oh, before I forgot, just put the Grenadine first, so that you get a nice color like a sunrise. Here we go. And then the gold rum on top. All right. That's really awesome. And then you got the overproof rum also on top. The first is for the garnish. Smells really good because this is really fresh. So all right, and double straw again. Oh, before anything else, again, please, don't forget to subscribe, share it in this Instagram, again, in the Facebook. I got the Facebook page, and then I got the Instagram also. Please guys, share it and hit the bell button and share it, and thumbs up if you like, and comments below. Thank you so much. Cheers.